is avoided by preventing T1 from reading the value of X balance until after T2's update has been completed. So we can avoid this problem, preventing T1 from reading the value of X balance, from reading the X balance until after T2's update has been completed. So until after T2's update completed on X balance, T1 should prevent from reading the balance. So by that, we can avoid this loss update problem. Next, the second problem is the uncommitted dependency problem, that is dirty read problem. It occurs when one transaction is allowed to see the intermediate results of another transaction before it has committed. It occurs when one transaction is allowed to see the intermediate results of another transaction before it has committed. Committed means ended with successful termination. So consider the example, you can understand here. Again the same X balance with the 100 rupees. Here transaction T4 updates balance 200, updates the balance to 200 rupees, but it aborts. See, it is not ended with commit. So it is in between, it gets failure, it get aborts due to some failure, and it get fails. The transaction due to some reason, it get fails. So the rollback command used here, rollback command used here to go to previous balance. That means it should be restored to its original value of 100 rupees. So T4 has started and reading the balance and adding 100 rupees to the initial amount. But in between, before updating this new value to the database, it gets failed for some reason. So that is why rollback is the command is used to go back to the previous state. But before getting real rollback, transaction T3 has started. Before rollback only, this transaction T3 has started and read new value 200. Read, it is reading the balance. What is the present value we have? 200. So it is reading the new value 200 and is using this value as the basis of the of its operation. That means it is deducting 10 rupees from the balance and is using this value as a basis, and it is deducting 10 rupees and giving a new incorrect balance, that is 190 rupees instead of 90 rupees. So instead of 90 rupees. So 90 rupees is the correct amount. So it should go roll back, and the previous initial balance is 100 rupees, and that from 100 rupees T3 is deducting 10 rupees, that is it should show 90 rupees, but it is showing 190 rupees. So the value of X balance read by T3 is called dirty data, or called dirty read problem. Dirty read problem.